Okay, to make high-rise building in Sketchup, we have to make the basic plan. We can use the rectangle in here. We can click from this corner to the another position in here, and then maybe we can make the another flange in here or another wings in here. Okay, then we can push it up, or maybe it's a bit more large than this one. We can just scale this one using the scale tool. Okay, then we can click this plane and select push pull. We can push it up. Okay, we can push it up until it get to proportional. Okay, and after that we can click this one and we can push it down to make another uh, combination of meshing here. Okay, and after that we can make the another elements. We can click this surface and offset it inside. We can offset it a little bit around 300 and maybe more. Then we can offset this one, and we can push it down to make the uh, elevation of this top floor here. Then after that we can um, add more another elements like we can add the curve in here or much more. But we can use the curve in here. Then click we can click from this position to this position, just like this. Okay, then we can push it to the behind until it's clear in here. Then we can make the another um, harmony. We can make the another harmony, so we can push it until the position. Okay, so this is about the basic meshing of this tower. Then we can also add more our top floor in here. You can offset it inside again and push it down in here again. 3 meter. Okay, and after that, we can triple click and also make group. Okay, and after that, we can also assign about the materials. We can use this one. Okay, we can use this materials that I've already prepared about it. You can see about the description for the materials link. Okay, now we can assign the materials with this tools. Okay, and maybe we can just add the separation in here. We can just add the separation. We can use the another tools. Uh, we can use the this one horizontally slice with this 1000 watt. Okay, 1001 bit. Okay, so it would be as slice automatically with 1001 bit.com here about the plugin here, so we can just easily assign about the materials on this face only anyway. Then we can now assign with the another materials glazing. We can use this gray glazing in here, so we can just assign with this one. Okay, you can just assign with this one. Okay, and maybe we can add more elements. We can add more elements like this one. We can just select this line. Okay, then we can select edit, copy, okay, and then this paste in place. Then we can offset it outside. Okay, then we can add the another line there. Then we can push it to another side. Then okay, maybe we can add the another color. It's look like lighting in here. Okay, I mean it was lighting like building exterior lighting in here. Okay, this is a lighting, and then we can add more again in here. We can just click this curve line and select this line. Okay, then we can select edit, copy, extract from the curve, and then edit and paste in place. Okay, then we can offset it outside just a little bit. Anyway, and just offset it outside a little bit. Then we can assign. We can close about the materials with the line anyway. Then we can push into the another side and select make group and assign the materials in here. And we can select a move, tab control, and copy it in here. Okay, and I mean it's done. Then we can click these lines like move, tab control, press to this position. Then we can type like a slash enter. So it would make the another vertical divider of the glazing. You can type a slash enter again in here. Okay, and it's done anyway. Then now and after that, we can set the best perspective view angle in here. Maybe just like this, or maybe we can add more realistic perspective of human eye in here, like this. Then we can select the print screen or screenshot this tower like this. Okay, and after that, we can adjust a little bit for the proportional of the screenshot size, and then we can select the copy, and we can go to the Gemini platform, and then we can paste the picture in here, and then we can activate the create image tools on the Gemini platform. And anyway, I've already prepared about the prompt to rendering the commercial building on the city with the architectural files. Anyway, then we can select copy. Then we can click on this text space. Then we can paste. Then and after that we can just submit and just wait for the result. It takes the several times because it still calculate because it's need to calculate our prompting request. It's about the high-rise building with another curve element on the body of this high-rise building. This okay, and this is the result of this. This is the first result. And anyway, we can also make the another. Uh, we can also make the another rendering by we can copy the prompt and then we can just modify it. Maybe I will give the another prompt key. Okay. Uh, the building has outdoor strip light follow the vertical off. As a strip light on the every vertical corner. Okay, so okay. This is the sentence key that I've made just now. The building has outdoor strip light on the vertical corner. Okay, we can click the submit, and I hope the rendering is this platform is this rendering result give us the strip light on the every corner, every single corner building in here. Okay. Okay. I mean, it was based on my expectation. I mean, it was based on my expectation because it gives us the strip light on every single corner in here. Okay. So I hope it will. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and we can easily make the rendering just the text just with using the text key in anyway. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And don't forget to join the channel membership and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.